This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our Mountainscape Cake project. This sweet design is perfect for a fall wedding or event. It's a great way to add a scenic touch to a nature-inspired event, and the slate blue color scheme goes well with a variety of color palettes. This cake is a great introduction to making tiered cakes. Its petite size means that the tiers are easy to handle while you learn how to place supports and stack cakes. The monochromatic mountain scheme adds an easy-to-accomplish ombre effect that can be applied with a palette knife or spatula. You can easily customize this design by changing the colors up to match various mountain ranges or to mimic the seasons. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cakes to making your colors and using a palette knife to apply frosting for beautiful, beautiful designs, and stacking your tiers. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get this plus so much more by signing up for our yearly membership. For more information about yearly membership or this course, go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com. This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be talking about our tulip bouquet cake project. Thanks for checking out our lovely tulip bouquet cake project. This beautiful design is perfect for a range of spring holidays and events. It's a classic that would make a great centerpiece for an Easter table or a stunning finish to a brunch with friends. We use both height and texture to emphasize our design and provide an easy-to-finish base for your piped flowers. The piped tulips are a simple way to start working with a flower nail, since you don't have to spin the nail while you're piping, making it great for beginners. This cake can be easily customized by changing the color to match your occasion. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cake to making colors, piping and placing your flowers, and adding your finishing touches. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can